Hello guys, how are you doing? So today I'm on the road close to São Paulo, the Caminho do Mar. I stopped a little while here to show you guys some of the accessories I installed on my bike. Some people have like question about, small things that I put on my bike, and I'm gonna do a video showing everything that I installed. So let's start with the heated grips. This is a very important accessory. Africa Twin doesn't come with one. I installed the Oxford one. There is a video on the channel showing how to do it. I've used it for 20,000 kilometers and no problems at all. I also have like this protection, hand protection from Zeta. Very sturdy, does its job pretty well. Not very expensive and specially designed for Africa Twin. Japanese brand. I had to buy one of these. You buy all sorts of colors and sizes. I wanted the black one, and I cut it here because it was like too thick, and when you are filtering through the traffic, you touch some mirrors, so I decided to do that. I also have like the side stand enlarger. Bought it from China, AliExpress marketplace. Very cheap. Very useful accessory, especially when you place your bike on muddy roads. So I also have like side pannier support from Givi and the toolbox as well. I don't use very often side panniers, but it's a good protection, and if you want to use it, it's just there. And this is quite important, the toolbox. I had to do like an adaptation from the other bike I had. It's not very beautiful, but it's quite functional. I place most of my tools here when I do long journeys. So here I have my plastic Kappa top box. It's the same brand as Givi, the same manufacturing in probably made in China or Italy, I don't know, not very sure. I prefer the plastic ones because they don't weigh too much. Also, I have like the engine protector. This is very similar to the genuine one. I removed this, to have easier access to the air filter, but I'm gonna place it back, on my next long journey. There it is. So I also have like a windscreen, a larger windscreen. It's from a Brazilian manufacturer called Motobolhas. It's a little bit taller than the genuine one. It just covers the GPS to protect it. So I also have this mobile phone holder. Sometimes I prefer to use a mobile phone instead of having it on the main dashboard. I have this antenna to cut kite strings here in Brazil, quite important, especially when you go through suburbs. Guys, I have also the center stand, original, genuine from Honda. This is quite important, to do your maintenance on the chain, and change your tire, you repair things on your bike. Also, I have this cushion from Airhawk. It's quite old. I've had it for more than 10 years and still pretty functional. As you probably know, Africa Twin doesn't have a comfortable seat. If you touch it here, you feel the hard bit. So it's important for you to buy one of these to make the bike more comfortable. So tires, I have the Mitas E08. Yeah, I think that's how it's called. This one is quite worn out. I have to replace it my next trip. So also I have like the bar riser. It rises about 3 centimeters, I suppose, 2-3 centimeters. This is quite useful for you to adjust a more ergonomic position on your bike. Yeah, you have to do a few tests in order to know to check whether your arms hurt or your back position. Last but not least, I forgot the GPS holder. I have a video on the channel showing you how you guys can install it. Places the GPS right ahead of you. You can always look straight, yeah, instead of living here. Not a lot of accessories, I don't like to spend money on these things, but if you have any questions on these accessories, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys. I wish you all the best and see you next time.